happy Halloween month, and this is me Sonika with Team Pankuri, and we're going to be creating 2 Halloween looks today which are going to be extremely simple and completely effortless for you. So let's start off. So for look number 1, we're going to start by using the Kryolan Aqua colors, and this one is in the shade white. I'm going to take a sponge and just start dabbing the color all over the areas which are around my eyes, and you can always cover your eyebrows too with the same product, and just make sure that you make it much more circular and it looks more diffused towards the edges. I'm going to use a spoolie to add more color on my eyebrows just to conceal it a lot more. So as you're concealing your eyebrows, go in the direction opposite to the eyebrow hair growth and also just continue filling it just for increasing the opacity. So wherever you feel that the sponge is giving you less coverage or it doesn't look too opaque, you can always use a flat foundation brush and just press the product upon the skin, which just makes it look a lot more opaque. So we're going to continue the same process on the other side. We're going to just give it a little bit of color around the eye area and also conceal our eyebrows in the same way. We are going to make this look a little more blue in the next steps. The white need not be completely opaque, but if you want to do it, you can always go in for a second layer. So we're going to use the Pigment Play eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this very light pastel blue eyeshadow and take it on a flat brush and start pressing it and depositing it all over the white. Again, this need not be completely white because we are going to use another shade of blue later. So just go in patches here and there and slightly buff out the edges wherever it goes towards the skin with a little bit of blue. So moving on to the darker shade of blue, we're going to pat it here and there and predominantly more in the under eye area just to make it look a little more darker and give it more depth. And we're also going to contour the sides of the nose in the same way using a fluffy brush. Okay, so let's move to the eyes. I'm going to use the NY Bay Kajal and I'm going to make it like a smoky eye. So go with a thick amount of product on the lid area, and then we're going to use a small blending brush and slightly smudge out the edges. And once you smudge it out, make sure that the entire lid is covered with the blackness, that it looks really intense and it looks very smoky. So after that, we're going to pick the same dark blue and start to layer it upon the edges of the black. And so using the blending brush, I'm going to diffuse out the edges of the blue eyeshadow and slowly start blending it towards my eyebrows. So once that's done, also make sure that the lower lash line is very smoky. So go with Kajal and then blend it into the skin. So moving on to the Huda Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this purple blue shimmer and I'm going to layer it upon the black part of it. Do this only in the inner 2/3 of the eye and just kind of pat it in with your finger and blend it out. And then we're going to switch to a couple of false lashes, which are from Henna Beauty, and I'm going to place them. These are extremely voluminous. They're perfect for this look. And after this, we're going to move back to the Kryolan face paint and we're going to draw a couple of lightnings across the face. And you can always look into a couple of pictures online for really good reference of lightning, but I'm just going to trace some of it on my skin. And also make sure that it looks like it's coming from your eyes, and just give it a couple of branches, make the branches look a lot more thinner, and just freestyle it and you're pretty much good to go. So as you go along the process, give it a good continuity and try to make every single lightning look cohesive together and cover all the areas of the blue part of it and make sure it looks very uniform as you're going along. So to complete the look, I'm going to use the Nykaa Your Latte lipstick, and this is like a neutral lipstick just to balance out the smokiness on the eyes. And this completes the look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this was one of my most favorite ones to do, and now let's move on to look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I've already done my foundation and I'm wearing my lenses only in the eye, which I'm going to do the spider. So we're going to start with a gel eyeliner from Purple and use a flat synthetic brush and carve out the area around your eyebrows and your eyes into a circle similar to a spider's shape, and then you just have to start filling it inwards. Make sure that when you're filling in, it looks extremely opaque, and go for around 2 layers when you're doing it so that it looks completely opaque and there is no skin peeking through. If needed, you can also use a black eyeshadow and then just start pressing it on across the area around your eye just to give it more coverage. So make sure that as you're going along the process that your skin does not show through all the black liner, because that would really kill the look, and make sure it looks very opaque and very concealed. And after that, we're going to start drawing the spider's legs. So spiders have 8 legs. So we're going to do 4 on the top and 4 more on the bottom. So I'm going to start somewhere at the arch of my eyebrow and then start making a thin line higher than that. And then also spiders have a lot of joints in their legs. So we're going to replicate the same. So just start tracing the same shape on your skin and just make it a little more thicker at the joints, and as it goes towards the end of the legs, make it look a lot more thinner. So as you're going along with the process, make sure that you have a lot more bends and a lot more turns and angles when you're creating the legs, just to make it look a lot more 3-dimensional and realistic, and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, so now let's just start with the legs on the lower side. I'm going to do 1 on the side of my nose and then 2 from the middle part of my eyes and 1 towards the outer corner of my eye. So once you're done drawing the legs of the spider, we're going to jump to the Kryolan Aqua colors, which is in the shade white, and I'm going to give it a little bit of highlights just to make it look a lot more 3-dimensional. So go on certain edges of the legs just to make it look like it's reflecting light off, and you can give it a little bit of detailing by working on the highlight and the shadows, and it just looks a lot more realistic and spooky. So another tip would be to continue the highlights towards the center of the eyes, that it looks like as if it is protruding from the eye rather than it's drawn upon the skin, making it look a lot more realistic. So we're going to move on to do the 4 legs on the upper side, and as you're doing this process, in case if the white becomes a little too prominent, you can always jump back to your black eyeliner and slightly fill in those areas, just bringing it back to how it looked before. To make it look even more 3-dimensional, we're going to use the Pigment Play eyeshadow palette. I'm going to pick this grey eyeshadow in it, and we're going to start creating shadows for the spider's leg to make it look a lot more 3-dimensional. Also, ensure that the shadow isn't too prominent and it isn't a very defined strong line. Rather, it looks very blended and hazy. I think adding the shadows makes it look a lot more wholesome and realistic, and this would definitely help to make your look a lot more better. To complete the look, I'm going to go with a very dark lipstick on my lip. I'm going to use the MAC lipstick in the shade Media, and we're going to apply this on the lip. Make sure that when you're using a darker color, the lip lines are very defined and very sharp. You can always go with a red or a burgundy with this look, or even a black lipstick, and that would definitely look amazing for the look. Completes the toe looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do tag Pankuri if you recreate any of these looks. We would love to see them, and also give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye.